everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create viral cinematic Instagram slide post. You can use any editing app that you want, but for this tutorial, I'm using CapCut. First, just open CapCut and then import the photo that you want to edit. And then next, just duplicate it like this and place it above the main clip like this. And then on the duplicate layer, just go to remove background. And then next, just choose auto removal like this. And then next, just add text and type anything that you like. And then just type anything that you like, for example. And then just adjust your styles. You can just choose font size that you like. For example, like this. And then next, you can also adjust the layer like this. And then for the cinematic part, you can also add a noise effect to the main clip. Like this. And then you can also adjust the effect as you like this. And then in here you will see the background becomes grainy while the subject stays clean sharp because of the background removed overlay. And okay, this is the final result. It's simple, clean, and cinematic. And after that, you can edit more creatively, like maybe add transitions, adjust the color, or even add music if you want to turn this into a quote reel. And okay, that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.